Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today what I wanted to do is something a little bit different from what I've done in the past. So typically I'm buying makeup, showing you makeup, all this different stuff. But today I'm kind of doing something different and for the rest of the year. So I'm starting my own project pan. I've seen these on YouTube for forever and I've always just loved the videos. I love seeing people making progress in any form. So I just love seeing people using up their makeup. I don't know, it's just so satisfying. So I'm going to show you what's going to be in my project pan, and then I'm going to show you some empties that I have from this month already. And yeah, so it's not like I'm not going to be buying any more makeup this year. Let's be honest, I will. I just kind of wanted to use up some of the older stuff in my collection. I've already decluttered, but I'm like, okay, well, I need to get use out of everything that I keep. So I'm just going to go through everything, and yeah, so stay tuned if you want to watch that. Alright, so the first kind of set of things that I want to use up is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer and the setting spray. So there's been a lot of drama with Too Faced and everything over the years, and these formulas are great. Like, I love these two products. I just can't really support the brand anymore, so I want to use these up. I love the products though, like they're so good. So I'm kind of sad, but I've had to stop using all their eyeshadows because of all the talc in them, and it's not a clean formulation as far as like the eyeshadows and other stuff goes. These are pretty good, surprisingly. So yeah, I'm gonna use those up. I guess I'll go through the sprays first. This is kind of funny, but I have the MAC Fix Plus, which I use for eyeshadows, and I literally only have like this much left of it because I love this stuff and I use it all the time. And I have a mini, so I kind of want to use these up, get them out of my collection because I'm trying to, like I said, be all clean beauty. So yeah, I'm gonna go through that stuff. Next on the list is another MAC product. This is the MAC Essential Oils from their Prep and Prime. It's hard to say for some reason right now. Their Prep and Prime collection. This is the grapefruit and chamomile like oil blend. So I've had this for a little while and I just never reach for it. I kind of forget about it. So what I think I'm gonna do is either use it before makeup as the first step, or just use it as a body oil because this will be used up super fast if I use it as a body oil. So get my money's worth out of that. The next thing, I'm super sad that I have to use up. This is the Pharmacy Skin Dew Hydrating Essence Mist and Setting Spray. So I went to go use this for a video like 2 videos ago, and I was like linking everything down below so you guys know what products I use. And this was like, I couldn't find this anywhere, so I was like so confused. I'm like, is this a real product? Like, I don't know. I was like tripping out for a second, but no, it is a real product. They just discontinued it because I like just got this and barely used it. So the first time I went to use it, then I couldn't find it anywhere. So I was like, this is really peculiar. So this is discontinued, and I don't want to show you guys like favorites that are discontinued because I feel like that's kind of pointless if you can't get anything like it. So I'm going to use this up as like a priming spray, if that makes sense. So I'll put this on, put my primer on, and then maybe set with this. So yeah. Next thing is, this is honestly the first clean beauty item I've ever gotten. This is the Lily Lolo Contour, what is it? The Sculpt and Glow Contour Duo. I don't know if you can tell, but I already have like a little dip in the highlight. I loved this thing and I use it all the time. It's been in my collection too long though. Like, this is literally the first clean beauty product I've ever got a couple years ago, so it's time for this to kind of be phased out, but I love it, so I want to use it up. I don't want to just get rid of it like I did with a lot of my makeup. So yeah, there's that, and we're gonna continue with the face products. Alright guys, I'm back. I just had to change the battery because I kept seeing it like beep and flash in the corner of my eye and it was really distracting. So yeah, back to the good stuff. What am I doing? Okay. This Ilia face palette is the next thing that I want to use up. I have 2 of them and I just don't want to have 2 of them in my collection. I think that's excessive. So I'm going to go in and try to use these 2 blushes mainly. And I think I'm going to try to use this as a blush. This is their bronzer in summertime, but I feel like whenever I put it on, it pulls a little bit red. So I'm going to try to use it as a blush and see what happens. But yeah. So I'm going to use up this quad. If I end up not liking it, I'll probably do a giveaway with the other one. I do plan on doing a giveaway kind of soon. Once I hit like 200 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway because I thought that'd be super fun. So yeah, stay tuned for what I do with that. Next thing, we're going to move into eyes. Oh, so there's 10 total things that I put in this project, and I don't have any rules for it yet. I just kind of wanted to start it. So I'm just going to use up the products, and then we're going to see like how I'm going to do it as we go. But the next thing is something I already hit pan on. This is the Mineral Fusion Prism eyeshadow. And this used to be like my favorite inner corner highlight, and then I kind of just stopped using it once I got more beauty products. So I want to go back to using this. I want to use this baby up, and then I'll probably get a new one because I really like this. I just want to phase this out because it's getting to be a little bit old. All right, last thing, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Like, tell me this does not scream fall. You are lying if you don't think this screams fall. There's just so much like beautiful colors in here. I love the brick reds, I love the terracottas, I love the purples and the glitters and the neutrals. There's just like something for everyone in here. However, I have this palette and her nudes palette. Thankfully, this doesn't have talc or parabens or there's some other ingredients I'm forgetting right now that I'm staying away from. Luckily, this does not have any of those. However, I just feel like I need to get some use out of this, and I want to hit pan, and this is the perfect season. I really want to use this, so I want to hit pan on at least one shadow. Like, one shadow is the goal. I know that's not like a super intense goal. However, I have like a lot I'm working through, so I think that'll be fine. If I hit pan on one shadow, that'll be great for me. So yeah, those are the 10 things that I want to either use up or hit pan on or just get some extra use out of. I want to make it a point. So I'm keeping it in this container I got from H&M on my beauty stand or like my beauty desk, so I make sure I like reach for these things throughout the days when I do my makeup. So yeah, that's that. Well, I'll update you guys on the progress. I don't know if it's going to be like monthly or bi-monthly or whatever the deal is, but yeah, stay tuned for updates. But okay, we're gonna get into the last portion of the video, which is my empties. I just love seeing what people use up because you kind of get a real idea of how that person liked the product. So I just have a couple things and 2 declutters. But the first thing is this pistache body butter. I use the crap out of this thing, and even my boyfriend like absolutely loves it, and he uses it too. It just smells so good, like pistachio and vanilla and just yummy goodness. So it's super hydrating too, and it's a clean formulation. So definitely check that out if you're in the market for a body butter. The only thing I don't like about it though is that it's not in a squeezy tube. I'm looking for a body butter that's super thick and luxurious and hydrating, but is in a squeezy tube just so it's a little bit more hygienic. So if you guys know of anything like that, let me know. I've been getting so many, like whenever I ask you guys these questions, I've been getting so many great like recommendations. So y'all are coming in clutch with those. Love that. But all right, next thing is this Kush Milk Mascara. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this other than the fact that it is old and getting dry and clumpy. When I put it on, it's like, it doesn't do the same things anymore. But I love this mascara. It's one of my favorites. Another thing that's an empty is these premium. I wanted to show you guys this because like I take off my makeup obviously every time I wear it. These are the premium cotton rounds from Target. They're literally my favorite thing to take off my makeup with because they don't like scratch the skin. They don't leave any little fibers everywhere like some little cotton rounds do. So definitely check out the premium ones from Target. They're really good. They have them in like big sizes too, but I get like just the, you know, the regular rounds. But all right, last thing. Anyway, this is a declutter. I'm probably gonna give this to my boyfriend's sister because I just give her everything that I don't want. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, and I love this stuff. I love the pigmentation, I love the texture, I love how thick it is. The only issue is I use this on my eyes as an eye concealer, and it makes my eyes feel so heavy. Like, you know how when you get a headache, your like head just feels heavy and like there's a lot of pressure? That's how it makes my eyes feel, and it's really weird, and I don't know why it does that. So I'm just gonna get it out of my collection because I only use it for my eyes anyway. So if it's not doing that job, I don't need it. So I'm gonna give those away. And yeah, that's all I have for this video. This was a little bit shorter. Probably not. I think it's like 10 minutes. Oh well. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you guys are going to do a project pan with me. I think it'll be really fun if we all try to use up our products together, you know, do a little something good for ourselves. But alright, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I love you all, and I hope you like and comment and subscribe and come back for more. I just have so much energy right now. Absolutely ridiculous. Maybe I'll film another video. But alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.